Good morning. Nimemaliza kumark your exams and some wamepita with flying colors. While others ni kuloita in the school, just loitering. Mzazi anaangana kulipa school fees, analeta kuni, maragwe na mahindi, but some hawezi pita. Yes? So I'm going to call the top 6 students ambao wamejaribu, and that is Dennis Karaoke. Number 1, clap for him, Kuja hapa mbele. Yes. Haya, the next Emmanuel. Number 2. Haya, as I call them, continue clapping. Musiache kuclap. Number 3 is Emily. Emily, come forward. Haya, number 4, continue clapping. Yes. You clap we. Clap hapo nyuma. As I call, don't stop clapping. Up to top 6. Number 4 is Ian, continue clap for Ian. Amejaribu sana. Yes, Ian, congratulations. Number 5 is, I can see you're not clapping. Do you want Nyamunyo? Clap for you, the other students. Eh?
Yes.
Don't stop clapping. Clap for him. Yeah. Number 6 is Mercy. Continue clapping. The most improved in this class is Kevin. Continue clapping. Yes. Na kuna wengine continue clapping. Yes. Kuna wengine huku nyuma hawezi wataishi tu kwa nyuma hata wafanye nini. Continue clapping. Clap for them wakiwa hapa mbele. Hadi warudi kuketi. Yeah, clap for them. Kuna wengine huku ni kama kurogwa ama ni inheritance. Continue clapping hadi wakae chini. Clap for them. Like Nyamunyo. Yes? Clap for them. Kuna wengine tu wako namba za nyuma, lakini mwisho kabisa naona ni Java Nyamunyo with a minimum grade of E. Hata I think ungekuwa na grade nyingine angeandikiwa tu hiyo F ama Z. Clap for other students. Kama your ears are not hearing, so what you do, just go home and bring your parents. This is not a school to entertain them.